Hello YouTube, this is Sonic2K and we're here again, almost near the end of our Lua tutorial for game development. And one of the last things I think you need to know, one of the few things that you need to know are concatenation and how to make something either a string or a number, because those are the only two data types in Lua. This tutorial might be pretty short because I'm going to teach how to do concatenation and do that. But first of all, we're going to teach how to turn something into a number. So, I would write enter your age. We did this in the last tutorial. Age equals io.read. But remember, if we want to check what age the user is, we have to use the quotes. You are 20. So, but we had to use the quotes. Now, we entered a number, and Lua, for some reason, won't change this. So, say we need to explicitly tell Lua, alright Lua, we need this to be a number, or say to Lua, okay Lua, we need this to be a string. Right? So, Lua has a function built in for us to do that, and it's called toNumber. So, we want to turn age into a number. So, say we run this program and we type 20, it will say you are 20 because the quotes still work. But this, if we take this away, it should still print. It doesn't print you're 20. Hold on. Age equals, maybe. Yep. So age, we have to set the new value of age equal to toNumber age. So we need to turn age into a number, but we need to also set it equal to a value. So if age is equal to 20, because don't forget we stored the new value of age in a number, and that's why that worked before. So if we do this, yep, it doesn't print it out. So age toNumber age, right? So this didn't work. But we can write an else if age is equal to 20, then print. Come on. Because here we're checking if age is a string 20 or if age here, and here we're checking if age is a number. But instead of having to store it in a variable like that, like we can do, we could just say if age, no, 20. We can get rid of this. If toNumber age, so if just ignore that. If age as a number is equal to 20, then so this basically makes the variable age a number, and it's comparing it. So if toNumber age, so if the number of age, say we enter 20, it's a string. We want to convert it into a number. This converts it into a number. So if as a number it's 20, then print you are 20. And let me just show you this in action. It'll say you are 20, because even though we entered a string, we want to turn it into a number. We're checking for a number here, and that's how that works. Now, this is all well and good, but we're printing you are 20. And we're just going by what's up here, that the user is 20. But say we want to make it so if the user is greater than or equal to 20, we can't just say you are older or equal to 20. We want to actually give the user what age they are. We can use a thing called concatenation to do that, and concatenation glues a variable onto the end of something. So we want to print, if we want to concatenate, first of all we get our print statement or whatever we want to concatenate onto the end to, and we do two dots, and this means, alright, look, we're going to glue something to the end of this, and we're going to print age. Right, so this says you are, and then whatever the value of age is, but we need to do this in order to add on the value. And notice how I have a space in here. Concatenation doesn't add a space, because this doesn't count as a space. If we had it like this, it would work. So I need to include the space here already. Then I'll show you another way to do that. So this basically means, alright, we're going to stick this we're going to put whatever is here onto the end of here. Maybe if I show you, it'll make sense. It'll say you are 20, 30. It'll say you're 30. I think you get the point. But notice if I take away the space, it'll say you are 20 with no space. But there's a way around. No, there isn't. There isn't. That didn't work. I remember trying that. So just remember, this is how you concatenate something to the end of it. And I think this is. Is it? Is this the end of our tutorial? It's not functions. It's not functions with pro. No, it's not. It's not. It's not. I have one more thing to show you, but that is for the next tutorial. So this is tonumber and. Well, actually, no. I've got one more thing to show you before this tutorial ends. That is tostring. I write. No, I can't do that. I would write. Enter your name. Actually, no. Right, okay, hold on. I thought of a good way to demo this. It's called tostring, is what I'm going to teach you now. And it basically does the same thing as tonumber, except if we put the quotes here, it turns age into a string, even though it already is a string. So age equals tonumber age. So we're turning age into a number up here, but here we're checking if we turn it into a string, is it greater than or equal to 20? So say we enter 20, and then it'll say you're 20. Because it turns it into a string, because this is a string. Notice how we're checking for the string 20 and not the number 20. And this turns age into a string. It basically does the same thing as tonumber, except turns something into a string. And this is sort of useful for file I/O, which I'm not going to teach standard of file I/O. I think the game development API we're going to use makes it a whole ton easier. So hopefully you understand this tutorial. Tonumber, and tostring, and concatenation. That's all I really taught in this tutorial. Hopefully you learned something though. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next tutorial.